Once again, good morning. It's my honor to introduce our guest speaker for this year's graduation. She was the class salutatorian on class 2006. She finished her high school at St. Joseph School, Lasal, also as class salutatorian. In 2010, she graduated her bachelor's degree in biology from the University of St. Lasal, Bacolod in 2014 and one of the recipients of the Academic Achievement Award. Graduated her Doctor of Medicine degree from West Visayas State University in Iloilo in 2018, and the following year passed the licensure examination for physicians. She finished her pediatric residency from Adventist Medical Center, Bacolod, Department of Pediatrics in 2024. She is also a diplomate of Philippine Pediatric Society. At present, she is affiliated with Metro Bacolod Hospital and Adventist Medical Center, Bacolod City, Department of Pediatrics, and the medical officer of Bago City Hospital. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor and speaker, the bride of class 2006. Join me in welcoming Dr. Justine Marie D. Bedila.
Dr. Judy Balibugao, Honored District Supervisor, to Ma'am Solima de la Cruz, esteemed Principal, beloved teachers and school staff, parents, graduates, good morning. Let me start off this message by congratulating each one of you today, dear graduates, as your hard work has finally paid off. Today is a proof that you have surmounted the challenges of elementary education. I also want to congratulate every parent and guardian who have given their utmost support and love for these children. You have done a big part in molding these children from birth until this very occasion. I am sure this is one of your many proudest moments. Congratulations to every teachers, mentor, and school staff who has no doubt dedicated so much to witness this very victory today. You have successfully done great responsibilities in bringing these children to what they are now. It is with great privilege that I can join you today in celebrating this wonderful occasion. I am Dr. Justine Marie Bedila, and I am a proud alumni of this beloved institution. It was 19 years ago when I had the familiar feeling of pride and joy of finally completing my elementary education. It was 19 years ago when I was like you, beaming with hope and aspirations. And I always hold on to that, dear graduates. As these hopes and aspirations will empower your journey of becoming the persons you want to be. The theme for today's commencement activity is Generation of Unity, Partners of New Philippines. As young as you are, it has always been inculcated in you that you are the country's hope. As in Dr. Jose Rizal's infamous words, ang kabataan ay ang pag-asa ng bayan. As young as you are given this task of becoming citizens that will contribute to the society and to build a new and better Philippines someday. To be the spark of change for the country. Heavy with this responsibility, I want you all to realize that change will start well within yourselves. The first step is always to dream for yourself, for your families, and finally for the Philippines. When I was young, I was once told, always aspire big, and aspire I did with a whole lot of strife, grit, and scholarships. I did not come from a well-off family. education seemed impossible. But my will was bigger than any obstacle back then. I applied for an academic
Ay, di
scholarship
kayo ba
near
aking imo
Joseph
nga,
School,
ano,
where I
learning
finished
event?
my high school with flying colors.
Sino
Then
kaya ngalan,
from
Kip?
college, I was able to enroll in the
Sino ngalan?
University
Maninoy
of
mo?
St. Bacolod, again on a full academic scholarship, and graduated with a degree in PS Biology. After completing a pre-med course in college, becoming a doctor seemed the natural next step. It was a far-fetched dream back then, as medical education in the Philippines was very expensive. But again, I was always told to dream big for myself. I again tried to apply for a scholarship to pursue medicine. As God always provides, I was fortunate to study medicine in West Visayas State University on a Unilab scholarship. I finally became a doctor in 2018, and my family and I hardly spent any peso. And I can proudly say that this is all because of God's grace, my family's support, and a mantra.
Doktor na siya gali.
Iba yun yung pamagalin mo.
My story is literally success by step. And I pray that yours will be
Doktor na siya
similar.
rin yun.
Mas bitang libre.
Dear
Aw!
graduates,
Amo siya nag-attend sa birthday to, Kim?
May you all
Ako na siya nag-attend sa birthday to ni, ano, ni MC.
But dreams alone are not
Yan
enough.
kaya layo-layo
They
siya, hindi
require
ko
action,
nakakuha na mo siya gali.
dedication, and resilience. As
As
Dr.
APJB.
APJ Abdul Kalam once said, dreams are not what you see in your sleep, but those that do not let you sleep. This powerful thought teaches us to dream big, work hard, and stay committed to turning our dreams into reality. I have always believed that every child is meant for something great. No matter your background is, no matter how high your grades are, and no matter how average you may think you are, the most important factor is always your ability to dream and to strive hard for that dream. There is no absolute formula for success, but as for me, there are three key ingredients for success. Firstly, great things never come from comfort zones. You are capable of more than you can imagine, and it is time to step outside
Kaya
the familiar
matamatang
and
init
deep
guys,
into
no?
the
Pero
unknown.
syempre yung parents,
Secondly,
doon ba
when you are
ilaan?
met with obstacles
Walang
and
magawa,
failures,
ay
remember
you
to
have to
always
wait.
persevere. The road to success is rarely a straight path. It is often marked with twists and turns, ups and downs. But it is during those tough times that your true character shines through. And lastly, never forget the importance of kindness and empathy. As you embark on the next chapter of your lives, always remember to be compassionate towards others. Extend a helping hand to those in need and spread positivity wherever you go. Life is not just about the individual achievements, but also about the positive impact we can have on others in our community. When you start to act on your dreams step by step, you are able to better yourselves. And by extension, you can collectively build a better and new Philippines in the future. Be the generation of dreamers, the generation of doers, the generation of change makers of tomorrow. I hope today marks the beginning of an incredible new journey for you. May you take courage and be excited for what's in store. Always remember that life is a big adventure and we must hold steadfast unto the Lord and enjoy the ride. Today, we celebrate your achievements, honor those who have helped you, and gear up for what's in store in the future. Again, congratulations, dear graduates, and may the odds be ever in your favor. God bless you all, and thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Betita.